given two matrix X and Y wherein 3x plus 2y let me just put this properly is equal to 8, 4, 9, 6 minus 2 and 3 and x minus 2y is equal to 8, 12, 11, 6, 10, 9. Find values of x and y. Okay. Again, in this question, what has happened is you are given two equations, okay, wherein two matrices which are x and y have been used. So these matrices, when multiplied by certain scalars or certain numbers, okay, and added together, give the result which is here. Similarly, one of these matrices, out of which if you subtract the other one, 2 times the other one gives you the result as under, right? You are asked to find out these two matrices. Okay. So how do we do that? Well, let's see. Let's call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay. Now if you notice, this equation has plus 2y and this equation has minus 2y. As you must have been doing in your algebra, whenever you have to solve two equations for two variables, you simply kind of try to see how you can eliminate one of them. Now, going by experience, which even you would be aware of, because this is a pretty simple thing, let's add these two equations. Add 1 and 2. So what you will get, 3x plus 2y plus x minus 2y is equal to 8, 4, 9, 6 minus 2, 3, which is the right hand side of equation 1, plus 8, 12, 11, 6, 10, 9, which is the right hand side of equation 2. Right? Again, applying the commutative property of addition, we know that we can play around and move this 2y towards the end. So we can write this as 3x plus x plus 2y minus 2y is equal to sum of these two. So let's do the sum also. For sum, the order has to be the same. Well, we see that the order of these two matrices is the same. So 8 plus 8, 16, 6 plus 6, 12, 4 plus 12, 16 minus 2 plus 10, 8, 9 plus 11, 20, and 3 plus 9, 12. Right? Now 2y and minus 2y are additive inverse of each other, so you will get 0 out here. Right? Now you are left with x plus 3x, so you can write this as 4 times x is equal to this value, or x is equal to 1 upon 4 of 16, 16, 20, 12, 8, 12. So this gives you 4, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3. So by doing this, you've been able to obtain the value of x. Right? Now if you want to do this, basically you can put this value of x in any of these two equations. So let's see this. So you can write these as value of x in this particular equation. Let's take it here. So 3 times x, what is the value of x? 4, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3 plus 2y is equal to 8, 4, 9, 6 minus 2, 3. Right? Or we can also write this as y is equal to 8, 4, 9, 6 minus 2, 3. So we will move this to the other side of the equation. So this plus will become minus. Minus 3 times, or rather, instead of doing all this crap, I'll just straight away multiply these numbers. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 4, 12, 15, 9, 6, 9. And I have to put in 1 upon 2 here. Why? Because 2y was equal to this minus this, so y has to be half of this. Or y is equal to 1 half of 8 minus 12 will give you minus 4. 4 minus 12 gives you minus 8. 9 minus 15 gives you minus 6. 6 minus 9 gives you minus 3. Minus 2 minus 6 gives you minus 8. 3 minus 9 gives you, right? Or if you divide each of these by 2, you'll get matrix y. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 3, then minus 3 by 2, minus 4, minus 3. So this is the value of matrix y. Right? I know this is kind of grown into a big problem, but it's easier. Right?